Tidy energy is power got coming from sources that do release air toxins, while eco-friendly power is power acquired from natural sources. Most significantly, energy coming from vegetations and other renewable sources is held carefully through attributes. Along with this new paradigm, we're changing our electricity production to much better take advantage of it. Green power is additionally energy source dependent, due to organic resources that can easily merely launch large amounts of power. The benefits of greening your residence from fossil energies are countless. For example, one power type is the electrical power coming from a plant or vegetation power plant, while the other is energy released from the nuclear power vegetation. For example, in the scenario of sky, electrical energy that streams by means of electrical pipes is produced when it is relocated by means of a wall surface or with a ground station as if the current were circulating via it. Renewable energy is electrical power generated from resources that are constantly being replaced. These clean eco-friendly sources such as wind and solar may not merely create energy coming from the sun or the earth but will also decrease garden greenhouse fuel emissions and water contamination. Eco-friendly power also poses dangers for many species, featuring intrusive species like birthmarks and reptiles. Refuse or refuse chemicals have a job in both organic and developed environmental concerns. These renewable energy sources are going to function out, unlike fossil fuels and gasoline, and feature wind and sunlight electricity. Wind and photovoltaic energy will definitely set you back much less than those for fossil energies, 5%, and the charcoal, 6%. The second element to be thought about, how a lot electrical power will definitely it take to take out 1 billion tons of garden greenhouse gases into room. Solar is only one of numerous options offered for getting rid of carbon dioxide coming from the setting by grabbing and taking in energy that arrives at Earth. In the exact same set of write-ups, and in our previous set, I've looked at green resources and green development by utilizing a door version to determine a typical eco-friendly manufacturing price over development years. The graphs I'm providing propose that typical environment-friendly production, which is a red flag of the eco-friendly setting, is at least 7% below the average for other sources of energy, such as fossil gas. For instance, hydropower is a sustainable resource, but some would say that it is not environment-friendly, since the logging and industrialization related to the creative hydro dams may damage the atmosphere. In various other instances, photovoltaic PV would be pretty helpful, as is a system of storage space and consumption. The concept is that when electricity is being delivered through renewables, it are going to be used by tidy power production. In California, the State Department of Community and Industrial Relations recently revealed that it is embracing the Sustainability Code to guard eco-friendly electricity resources. In purchase to give a high well-maintained energy standard, clean electricity necessities to be readily available before it has to go out of solution.